What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz in the Skyline and the merch back here with another video. Now, if you are seeing this, first of all, thank you, because all you guys got me here and got me to do this, which is so awesome. I'm so excited to be dropping this. This video is gonna go up tomorrow morning at 10. So this video is going live at 10 o'clock Friday, February 28th. The video for tomorrow is actually just going to be released at 11. So don't worry, that's coming out in like an hour. If you're watching this one, I got my merch in and I wanted to make a video specifically about this. Here we have the shirts, mediums, large, extra large, hoodies, mediums, large, extra large. I think total, after Ryan bought one just previously, and then I kept a shirt and a hoodie for myself, I have 29 shirts left and then 14 hoodies left. All that will be in the link below, my Shopify link. If you don't want to click the link, it's fitz-miller.myshopify.com. Just for reference, this is what a large champion embroidered hoodie looks like. You can see where I got my inspiration from. Are embroidered, like I said, and then the shirts are screen printed. The store will be live when you're watching this video right now. Go grab some merch. All the money that I'm making from this is just gonna go back into more merch in the future. I'm not keeping any of this money. This is so I can do this stuff for you guys and help grow my channel as well. So that's about it. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm so excited to be dropping this for you guys, and go get some before it's all out, because it's pretty limited. This has been Fitz Miller in the Skyline, back here with another video, and I will see you in the next video that drops like an hour. See ya.